In this video, we will discuss about SN1 reactions. Nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reactions are known as SN1 reactions. These reactions involve a carbocation intermediate and is commonly seen in the reactions of secondary and tertiary alkyl halides under strongly acidic or basic conditions. In organic chemistry, the SN1 reaction is often known as dissociative mechanism. A reaction mechanism was first proposed by Christopher Ingold et al. In 1940. What are steps of SN1 reactions? Nucleophilic substitution unimolecular reactions. The SN1 reactions generally proceeds in two steps. Number 1, formation of carbocation. This is slow step and is known as rate determining step. Number 2, attack of nucleophile on carbocation. This is fast step. However, on technical grounds, the reaction proceeds in 3 steps. Example of SN1 reaction. An example of a reaction taking place with an SN1 mechanism is the hydrolysis of tertiary butyl bromide forming tertiary butyl or alcohol or tertiary butanol. The reaction is as follows. Tertiary butyl bromide plus 2 water molecules, they will react together producing tertiary butanol or tertiary butyl alcohol plus bromide ion plus hydronium ion. Now we will discuss about mechanism of the SN1 reaction. The mechanism steps of SN1 reactions are as follows. Number 1, formation of carbocation. Number 2, formation of product. This further is divided into 2 steps. Number 1, attack of nucleophile on carbocation. Number 2, deprotonation in case of neutral solvents. Now we will discuss the mechanism in detail. Number 1, formation of carbocation. Formation of a tertiary butyl carbocation by separation of a leaving group bromide ion here from the carbon atom. This is slow step. The reaction is as follows. Tertiary butyl bromide after leaving bromide ion produces tertiary butyl cation plus bromide ion, which is a nucleophile and leaving group in this category. Number 2, attack of nucleophile on carbocation. The carbocation reacts with another nucleophile. When the solvent is water, the intermediate is an oxonium ion. This reaction step is fast. The reaction is as follows. Tertiary butyl cation plus water molecule, they will react together producing oxonium ion. In next step, deprotonation will occur. Removal of a proton on the protonated nucleophile by water acting as a base, forming the alcohol and a hydronium ion. This reaction step is also fast. The reaction is as follows. Oxonium ion plus water, they will react together producing tertiary butyl alcohol or tertiary butanol plus hydronium ion. What are characteristics of SN1 reaction? These are following characteristics of SN1 reaction. Number 1, this is 2-step mechanism. First step is formation of carbocation. Next step is attack of nucleophile on carbocation. Number 2, in SN1 reaction, 50% inversion and 50% retention in product occurs. That is evident by following example. Number 3, rate of SN1 reaction is directly related to the concentration of alkyl halides, as formation of carbocation involves only alkyl halide. This is slow step and rate determining step. So, rate of reaction would be determined by concentration of alkyl halide. Number 4, order of reaction is 1. Number 5, this substitution means SN1 occurs in polar solvents. Number 6, this substitution occurs in tertiary alkyl halides. That's all from today's video.